The second trend was the one that I mentioned, using the example of the cell phone and how the cell phone has imposed itself upon your home life and upon your family. Employees are seeking a greater focus on work-life integration, which has a range of implications in our opinion. We're all aware of gridlock and its many, many challenges. It impacts all of us every day. As a result, employees, and in particular I think the best employees, which are the ones that we are all competing for that optimal talent, are going to identify employment options that are reasonable, present reasonable commute times from their locations, and are located near convenient amenities. They do not want to compromise on quality of life for their jobs. This is in particular for the Gen X and the Gen Y, and then I think that we'll find the same theme in 5 or 10 years with the millennials coming up behind them. And in our opinion, this dynamic will favor the downtown of Canada's largest cities, which have the greatest amenities in public transit infrastructure as compared to, say, the suburbs, which will struggle a little bit with offering that same amenity package and certainly can't offer the same suite of infrastructure and public transit options as you get in a downtown core. So the boundaries between workplace and people's perspective of workplace and leisure time, or workplace and home, are increasingly blurring. That's what we're finding in Trend 2. And you can see that there are some generational preferences around this particular topic. When asked about their priorities for amenities, not surprisingly, the youngest generations are the most discerning and the most demanding. Gen X and Gen Y expect a range of amenities in proximity to their employment. They're looking for social venues, shops, cafes. These types of experiences are high on their list. As an owner, we will be looking to find ways to create this suite or basket of amenities and ambiance because we know that it's important to employees. And if it's important to people's employees and talent, that means as part of the decision-making process of where people will locate, that matters for us as an owner of space. So even some such factors as proximity of daycare, on-site gym and showers, provision of food, and it's pretty interesting I don't think people would be surprised, but if we walk through different types of corporate occupiers downtown, ranging from Google to, say, a law firm, you'll see the demographics of their preferences, both in their workforce, as well as it being displayed how they've designed their space. Very, very different.